Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a quick threading video for you guys. Actually, it just so happens my threading lady is out of town and I have nobody to do my eyebrows. And to be honest, I don't trust anybody with my eyebrows except for her. So finally they're thick and I love the way they're looking. So I thought it's a great time to do a threading video for you guys. So first I'm just going to measure out the thread, and basically I have 10 inches and then I'm just going to double it so that my hands can fit in it. Now I just wanted to let you guys know also, if you have bigger hands, maybe just add an inch or two so that it's easy for them to move in the thread, which I'll be showing you very shortly. So once the thread is measured out double the length, you're going to tie a knot at the end of the opening. And when I'm threading, I like to really reinforce the thread, so I'm just going to knot it twice at the end. So now that you have your loop of thread, you're just going to stick your 4 fingers from your left hand and 4 fingers from your right hand into the loop, and keeping your right hand steady, you're just going to take your left hand and basically just twirl the thread. And this is going to create a bunch of twirls in the center of the thread. So maybe just do this 5 or 6 times. So this is the motion you want to get comfortable with when you're threading, opening and closing your hand one side at a time. The middle of the thread, which you actually see squeezing together, is what gets rid of the hair. I recommend getting comfortable controlling the thread like this. I actually learned to thread by using this motion on my thighs and legs, so try threading there before moving on to your eyebrows. So just to ensure that I don't over thread my eyebrows, I like to use my eyebrow pencil, which has a spoolie on one end and the eyebrow pencil on the other. I literally just comb out my eyebrows using the spoolie side, and then I just line them as if I was just filling them in. And I only thread the hairs that are outside of the outlined area. Okay guys, so now for the fun part, the actual threading. So I'm just going to start with my upper portion of my eyebrows because there tends to be less hair there and it's very quick to do. I'm basically just threading the top of my eyebrows, being very careful, especially on the end. I'm kind of just making like a frown, and the hair comes off quite easily. Now the trickiest part is the bottom. So for the bottom, you have to raise your eyebrows to keep the skin tight. And then taking the thread, you want to get underneath the hair you want to remove. And you want to do that opening and closing motion that I showed you guys earlier to extract the hair. So as you can see, the hair is being pulled completely by the root and the area is getting so much cleaner. I'll show you this in slow motion again so that you guys can see how the hair is coming out. I was also getting a bit of a unibrow, so I just threaded the center of my eyebrows as well, just keeping my eyebrows raised so the skin in the center was also stretched out. Okay, so I don't want to roast you guys out, but look at how much hair came off my eyebrows alone. This is so disgusting, but I honestly feel so much lighter after cleaning out my eyebrows. So that is it for my eyebrow threading tutorial. You can use the same technique on other areas of your face, such as your upper lip and chin. All you need is a little bit of practice and you'll get the hang of threading in no time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!